You might be wondering how I discipline my crew. Well, there we go, people. Discipline. I'll see you in a couple of days, Lisa. Okay. Now don't do it again. I think my head is too heavy, people. Well, actually, probably not. It's everyone's favourite time of the month. Yes, it's Croc Watch. I mean, Croc Watch. Croc's just been spotted, people. I haven't had time to do my hair. Laura's Lisa. Let's go! We got people that have spotted it. Better to drift on it. Go left.
I think it's there, isn't it?
Yeah, but if you head towards it, it's going to piss off. There it is. There it is.
There, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's great, people. We got a croc. It's not a big one. It's probably only about 3 or 4 feet. But that's heartening. I mean, they killed the big one. It's going to take probably 30 years for this one to grow up. Do you still see it? See, it's gone because it's hurt us.
That's encouraging. Makes it even more fun to go for Sharon.
Yeah. Well, it's only a little. What's he going to do to you?
What?
Come up and give you a massage. He's not even enough to make a leather handbag or a pair of shoes. Sorry, that was an inappropriate comment. Lisa is empathetic for all animals, except for me. She doesn't include me in any animal species or a part of the human race. She ought to. I got her bloody pineapples.
Technically, I got them myself.
She was getting me on technicalities. actually a little bit raw, and it's actually better, people. It's got more taste. Because both claws were underdone. Well, I'll try that one, but hopefully that'll be underdone too. So there you go. If you stuff up the cooking and it's underdone, it's even better with crab. I know it's good with fish. But anyway, how's it going? Good?
It's perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's one. Where's the champagne though? Where's the mango daiquiris? So it's not quite perfect. Anyway, we do our best. We have 3 boats and 7 people to feed. I can finally go for a big fish. It's very shallow here. I have to be careful. Every so often some rollers come through. I'm just going to wait here just to see if we don't get caught out again. I think it's alright. But by the time I get my gear on, hopefully another set will come through. But let's go check it out. Just making the anchor line longer for safety, people. Safety fourth. Ah, 2 trunkfish in love. Makes me just want to go down and shoot them both to death. Love. Pfft, what's that gonna do for you people? Nothing. Bubkus. Nada. Oh, bugger. Was that out loud? I have a very partially successful vlog to run, so some subtle direction is required for the participants.
Don't forget to smile! Start smiling! Come on! So you gotta tell people what to do, you know. They're not like, you know, used to the success that I'm used to people. Lisa is.
Maybe we need a bit more subtle direction.
Start smiling! I want to be a successful vlog! Everyone pretend you're happy and that I'm really cool! That's how it's done, people. It's a little less than optimal, people. It doesn't look so bad now, but when the sets come through, we get rollers coming in. So we can't actually anchor over there. So we'll anchor here and we'll swim out.
We are located in the Hollandaise Cays right about here. The trouble with today is we have the whole lagoon on the left, emptying out only a few narrow channels of the reef. Where we want to go here, there is a lot of water rushing out, meeting waves coming in. So we're anchoring within the lagoon here, and we will swim out the channel and hook around to the caves right about here.
I got a new name for your YouTube channel. Yeah. Sailing Freedom into Things. Yeah. Hey, I'm the one that does the jokes, alright? Nice try.
And then once we got into the current, we got spat out the front quite quickly. You may be wondering how I was going to get back to the dinghies through the current. Well, I was going to go another way. I was going to hop on the rocks and walk back. Perhaps I should have communicated that to the other people and it would have caused less anxiety.
Gazer, we're going? Alright, good.
Of course, because of the surge, waves and bad viz, no one wanted to stay, so I went back to collect the boat and go pick people up.
I'm going to have to go get the others. So if he doesn't make it in, just drive their boat around. I'm going to pick him up and I've got to go around the safe way. Okay, well that was less than optimal. The current going through here is like 4 knots, it's crazy. Anyway, everyone's back, so we're all good. We'll just go onto the lee side for some snorkeling. Were you a bit worried?
Yeah.
Huh? I was a bit worried.
Well, I knew that.
I thought I was going to lose 2 or 3 people on my watch.
I knew you would never let that happen, you know?
Well, there's one thing about intention and there's one thing about fate. Anyway, I went the shallow way because I knew I would definitely get in. But it wasn't so bad on my feet. So that's why I didn't take you that way. Because you would have lost your knees and your...
I wouldn't want to go that. I mean, like this, worst thing, I would have been like pushed out and then I would have just waited there.
Yeah.
But I wasn't worried about
that. Well, that's all. I just needed to get to a boat, that's all. But I was a little bit worried because I think Gazer was a bit freaked.
Yeah, she was.
And you know when you have that person that's freaked out, it's not a nice feeling. There's no dramas. I mean, I would have picked them up out beyond the surf. That's all. How was that, people?
Not so much.
Okay, what happened then, Lisa?
I kicked him off the boat.
Yes.
and I didn't have my safety thing on. And as I was falling, I was revving the motor, which caused me to fall faster. And the prop went just over my knee, people, and I was forcing my legs down. I could have lost a kneecap. And you know why we're doing this? Because we're thinking about something interesting for Lisa to kick me off the boat. And she said, oh, I don't need a reason. And she did it, people. And I wasn't ready. Got to have safety first. Got to have the leash on.
You should worry all the time.
I do. In spirit. In spirit. The motor just doesn't turn off when I go, turn off! Turn off! That was excellent driving, Lisa. Where'd you get your license? The cornflakes packet?
What are you doing in the water?
So, did I come back here and get my gear on? I'm sorry about the cornflakes packet license comment.
I don't trust you now. I know what I would do.
Did you get your license from your cornflakes packet?
No, I didn't. Because I don't have a license.
Well, there you go. Hey, we go! Look at this! Hey! Second take, top stuff, well done.